Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss trigonometry formulae proving part related to class 10. See, one formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Means by the help of geometry we have to prove this. What we have to prove? To prove by help of geometry. To prove it by help of geometry. See, this is one triangle in which, suppose I am mentioning theta here, then this will become perpendicular to this AB, and this one is 90 degree, so this one is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular AB, and BC is base. We may write here base and we may write here perpendicular. So these are perpendicular and base of this right triangle. Now let us take LHS. LHS, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we may write sin theta as perpendicular upon base. So we may write here perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse which is opposite to 90 degree angle. This is perpendicular. This one is hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse whole square plus base upon hypotenuse, because cos theta formula is base upon hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse whole square. So we may write it p square plus b square upon h square by taking LCM h square. So it will become p square plus b square. Now perpendicular square plus hypotenuse square by the help of Pythagoras theorem. By the help of Pythagoras theorem, we may write p square plus b square is equal to h square. Perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square. So this will become hypotenuse square upon hypotenuse square. So this will be cancelled. So it will be equal to 1. So we can say that it is equal to RHS. So in this way we can prove by taking LHS, by the help of geometry, we can prove that it is equal to RHS. Means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is proved by the help of geometry, by drawing a right triangle and taking formula for sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos theta base upon hypotenuse. We have proved this particular formula. So this first formula is now over. Now see, it is our second formula. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That is only formed by that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can say sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. But how to prove it? By the help of geometry. Let us see. Let us take RHS. As you know, I have explained this, that this one is theta. So this one is perpendicular, this one is base, and this is hypotenuse as theta is here. So opposite side of angle is known as perpendicular, and the adjacent side of this angle is known as base, and the side which is opposite to 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse. So RHS we are considering, it is 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write it 1 upon 1 minus base upon hypotenuse whole square, or we can say by taking LCM, h square is taken as LCM because in denominator h square is there. So we may write here in table of 1, h square will be h square times, so h square into 1 will become h square minus b square. So by help of Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, what happens? Hypotenuse square minus base square should be equal to perpendicular square. See, hypotenuse square minus base square means it should be equal to perpendicular square, as p square plus b square is h square. So h square minus b square can be equal to p square, of course. So it will become p square upon h square. That can be written as p upon h whole square. So p upon h whole square means what? P upon h means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta. So we may write here sin theta whole square. So sin theta whole square will become sin square theta, and it is only our RHS. So it is proved. This second formula is now proved. Sorry, it is equal to LHS because we have taken RHS there in starting. So it is equal to LHS. It is proved now. Third formula, it is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This we have to prove. So let us take RHS here also. It is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta can be written as 1 minus perpendicular upon hypotenuse whole square. We may write it like this because perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta. Now on taking LCM, h square will be LCM. So in table of 1 it is h square times, so h square into 1 is h square minus, when h square is divided, this h square is divided by this h square, then it will be 1. So 1 into p square, that is p square. So hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC. Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square can be written as base square because perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square is equal to base square. So we may write here base square upon hypotenuse square, which can be written as b upon h whole square. So b upon h whole square means base upon hypotenuse is what? In trigonometry it is equal to cos theta. So it will be equal to cos theta whole square. So now we may write it cos square theta. So it will be equal to LHS. That we have to prove only. This formula number 3 is proved. Now see fourth formula, it is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here we are taking LHS. So it is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. That you know very well what is the formula for sec theta in form of geometry. It is hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse upon base whole square minus perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base whole square. So here base square is taken as LCM. So both denominators are same. So there is no change in numerator. It will be as it is. So it will be h square minus p square. So by the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can write by Pythagoras theorem in triangle. In right triangle ABC. We may write it hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square can be written as base square because perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square is equal to base square. So it will be equal to base square upon base square, that is 1. Because both numerator and denominator are same, so it will be equal to 1 and it will be equal to RHS. So we can say that formula 4th is proved. Now see fifth formula, it is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This we have to prove. So let us take RHS here. So RHS is equal to 1 plus tan square theta we can write. Now tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है कि tan theta perpendicular upon base होता है. So here it is 1 plus p upon b whole square. So here it is 1 only. So we can take LCM. Base square is our LCM of this part. Now if we divide b square by 1, then b square will be the result. B square into 1 is b square. So b square plus, then when b square, this b square is divided by this b square, then 1 will be the result. So 1 into p square is p square. Now by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, it will be equal to hypotenuse square. See, perpendicular base square plus perpendicular square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. So we can write here hypotenuse square upon base square, or it can be written as hypotenuse upon base whole square. Means what? Hypotenuse upon base is sec theta. So it is sec theta whole square, which can be written as sec square theta. So it is sec square theta, and which is equal to our LHS. So we can say that formula 5th is proved. Now see, it is 6th formula. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This we have to prove. So let us take LHS here. LHS is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So sec theta you know very well. It is hypotenuse upon base whole square minus 1 upon 1. So here we can take base square LCM. So if we divide this base square by this denominator base square, then it will be 1. So 1 into h square will be h square minus, when we divide this b square by 1, then b square will be result. So b square into 1 is b square. Now we may write by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, we can write hypotenuse square minus base square is equal to perpendicular square. So it will be perpendicular square upon base square, which can be written as p upon b whole square. P upon b whole square means what? Tan theta whole square. It will be equal to tan theta whole square. So tan theta whole square means tan square theta. See, tan square theta, it is only our RHS, so it will be equal to RHS. So we can say that formula 6th is also proved by the help of geometry. Now see, formula number 7, it is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Let us take LHS here. LHS is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So we may write cosec theta as hypotenuse upon perpendicular whole square, because here it is square, minus base upon perpendicular whole square, because it is cot theta square. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular and cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So we may write here hypotenuse square minus base square upon perpendicular square, as perpendicular square is taken as LCM. So h square minus b square will be as it is, because both the denominators are same. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, so we may write here h square minus b square means hypotenuse square minus base square, this square minus this square, that will be equal to perpendicular square. So because perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square by Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse square minus base square will be equal to perpendicular square. So it will be perpendicular square upon perpendicular square, then it will be cancelled. So 1, which is our RHS. So we can say that formula number 7 is proved. It is over. Now see 8th formula. It is cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Let us take LHS. Here it is cosec square theta minus 1, which can be written as hypotenuse upon perpendicular whole square minus 1 means in denominator here it is 1 only, so perpendicular square can be taken as LCM. So when we divide this perpendicular square by this perpendicular square, then 1 will be the result. 1 into hypotenuse square, that will be equal to hypotenuse square minus 1. This p square is divided by this 1, so p square will be result, and p square into 1 is p square. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square can be written as base square. See, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, that will be equal to base square, because perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So we may write base square upon perpendicular square, which can be written as b upon p whole square, is base upon perpendicular whole square. Base upon perpendicular means what? Cot theta. So cot theta square means it will be equal to cot square theta, which is only our RHS. So we can say that formula number 8 is also proved. Now it is 9th formula, which is last formula for our 10th class trigonometry, we can say. Here it is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Let us take RHS here. RHS is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot theta can be written as base upon perpendicular. So it will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus base upon perpendicular whole square, which can be written as perpendicular square as is taken as LCM. So in table of 1 it will be p square times, so p square into 1 is p square. So p square plus, here it is b square, because ये परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर को जब हम परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. 1 इंटू बेस स्क्वायर मीन्स बेस स्क्वायर. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ABC, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. So perpendicular square plus base square can be written as hypotenuse square. So it will be equal to hypotenuse square upon perpendicular square. That will be equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular whole square, and it can be written as cosec theta whole square, because it is a reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular whole square. So it will be equal to cosec square theta, which is our LHS. So we can say that formula number 9 is also proved. And thanks a lot for watching our channel. Subscribe it, like it, and share it.